any of the brands or like a product claim that they can remove the pore completely, that's a lie. Pores will never disappear. The number of pores that you are born with is decided from the birth. Because of this, your makeup will look also cakey. You cannot remove the pore. It's about you can make the appearance of pore more tightened and then more smaller. So you need to know what's your pore issue type. You can look at the mirror. Is my skin very oily, or there are a lot of dead skin cells, or do I feel that my skin elasticity is not there, sagging? If it's built up too much, what's the issue? First, it will clog your pore. Second, your skin will start to look very bumpy and then rough. Thirdly, because of this texture and the issue, your skincare absorption will not be deep and good enough. Then what do we need? First, your pore should be clean deep inside. Secondly, it should be very well moisturized. Thirdly, you need to protect your skin barrier safely. OMG, right? Too many things. Are there even a product that satisfies all these three things? It's the 안녕 동생들, your Korean skin 언니 정민 here. Today I want to talk about the pore. You know, in the morning time after putting a lot of makeup, have you ever shocked because of all the enlarged pore around your nose? Or the foundation looks very cakey? I mean, it's very stressful, right? I was also like that. So I try a lot of product that claims that we shrink your pore, it will disappear. I try a lot of laser, mask pack. I think I spent $thousands, like 10K, like that. But it never worked it out for me. I talked to dermatologists and skincare experts, a lot of them, right? It turns out our understanding about pore is completely wrong. So till the end, please keep watching. I want to talk about what's the logic behind and how it can be solved. Okay, this must be too shocking for you, but I need to tell the truth. Pores will never disappear. The number of pores that you are born with is decided from the birth. It's more about how you take care of it. So if any of the brands or a product claim that they can remove the pore completely, that's a lie. Because our pore is actually necessary human body structure. Here, all the sebum comes out from it, and then your sweats also control, and then your skin temperature also controlled by the pore. So without pore, our skin will be completely ruined. But more important thing is you cannot remove the pore. It's about you can make the appearance of pore more tightened and then more smaller. So once you know how it's working, you can save a lot of money. If you go to laser treatment or aesthetics, it may look good in short term, but that's not the end of it. If you don't really do the daily care at home, after 2 weeks or after 1 month, it'll be going back to zero again. So it's more about how to take care of it every single day. There is no miracle after one night, but if you do it regularly, there will be a complete change. Today, I want to talk about 3 things. First, why our pores look big. Second, what's the limitation in the usual products in the market. Third, how to actually take care of it at home, more like a routine base. Let's get into it. There are 3 reasons your pores look very big. First case is excess sebum type. If your skin is very oily, you have T-zone and then you see very oily, right? That's the excess sebum. Imagine that your pore is a pocket or balloon, and your sebum is water inside the balloon. When the sebum is more, your balloon will be bigger, right? Same. When you have more sebum, your pore will be enlarged as well. Especially when it's hot and humid summer weather, when you are stressed, or when you eat a spicy or oily food, you will have more excess sebum. Case number 2, it's about the dead skin cell. This is actually quite critical. Dead skin cell, when they block the entrance of your pore will look even bigger because there is a shadow on it. Then it doesn't reflect the light properly. Because of this shadow, your hole will deeper and darker. But imagine that case number 1 and 2 mixed. Then your excess sebum and all these dead skin cells will be combined. Then they clog the pore and create the blackhead. But just in short, when you have more dead skin cells, your skin will start to feel more rough. And then when you touch it, you don't feel very even. Because of this, your makeup will look also cakey and not smooth enough. All these kind of issues, you can take care of it at home if you remove the dead skin cell properly frequently and regularly. Of course, you shouldn't do overdoing it. Case 3 is the skin sagging type. When you are older or because of the UV exposure, this can happen. When you have less collagen because of the age, your skin will start to sag. Then your pores will also become sagging. Imagine that when you are young, your pore is also younger. It's like a very well-rounded shape. Because of the gravity, right? Becoming sagging, then it becomes more water drop shape, more oval shape. So because of this enlarged, you might feel that your pore got bigger, especially around your cheek area. There is a high possibility that you might feel this way. So this kind of issue, you can take care of it at home if you work on it, collagen synthesis. If you protect your skin better from the sun exposure, it will be better. So you need to know what's your pore issue type. Is it case number 1, 2, or 3, or is it mixed? You can look at the mirror. Is my skin very oily, or there are a lot of dead skin cells, or do I feel that my skin elasticity is not there, sagging? Then it can be a good starting point for your pore issue. Let's go deep into the dead skin cell. Originally, actually, dead skin cells are not really bad. This protects your skin from the external aggressor. But the problem is when they don't fall off on time or just build up. Normal cycle is the 28 days. Skin cell turnover is the 28 days. But as we get older, or when your skin is dry, or when your blood circulation is not so good, this cycle gets slower. Then your dead skin cell will more build up. If it's built up too much, what's the issue? First, it will clog your pore, and then this dead skin cell, like the previous case we talked about, they mix with the excess sebum and creates blackhead or whitehead. Second, your skin will start to look very bumpy and then rough. And then the skin reflection will not be smooth, so it will get even worse. Thirdly, because of this texture and the issue, your skincare absorption will not be deep and good enough. So regardless of what kind of good serum you are using, it might not go deep into your skin. You need to really take care of the dead skin cell. And there are many products in the market, and I want to talk about it. I think most common product that we use is actually mud pack. I mean, it's a brilliant product. Usually they say the mud pack will suck in all your gungs from the pore. Yes, it does. But the issue is when they suck in all the gungs, they suck in all the waters and the nutrients as well. So your skin gets super dry. I want to talk about physical exfoliation as well. All these granules, technically you're just wrapping on the skin, right? Yes, it does remove the dead skin cell, but it also damages your skin barrier at the same time. Especially if you have a sensitive skin, you will have a micro scars and then the pores will be enlarged. What about a chemical exfoliation? AHA, BHA, these are great ingredients. Remove your dead skin cell in the chemical way, more like a melting way. If you use it too often for this chemical exfoliation, it will also affect on your skin barrier. So you might feel that your skin is thinner or even more sensitive. Then what do we need? Actually, there are 3 things. First, your pore should be clean deep inside, not just the surface, more in the deeper level. Secondly, it should be very well moisturized while maintaining the moisture. Thirdly, you need to protect your skin barrier safely. OMG, right? Too many things. Are there even a product that satisfies all these 3 things? It's the CO2 mask pack. This is the really game changer, so let me talk about it quickly. CO2, I mean in other terms, it's the carbon dioxide. When it enters to your skin will feel that, oh my gosh, my body doesn't have enough oxygen. Automatically, it will try to supply more oxygen. This, you will have more active blood circulation, and it's called Pore effect. What's good about this better blood circulation? First, your skin cell will be more activated, so your all the toxins will be removed faster, and then nutrients applied to your skin will be also faster. Secondly, your pore will have all these dead skin cell build up, right? It will be also deep cleansed. These are the 2 things that you will mainly feel from the better blood circulation. Okay, let me explain how CO2 mask pack actually works. Step 1. When CO2, carbon dioxide, enters to your skin will start to absorb more CO2. And second step is your bloodline will be enlarged. Then you will start to feel that your skin temperature slightly go up and start to feel stinging sensation, which is perfectly normal. And step 3, your supply of the oxygen will be automatically like explode. That's where all the magic happen. Your skin cell and everything will be super activated. Step 4, all the like a buildup, that skin cell in your deep pore will be pushing out from within to the outward. So it's not like a scrubbing physical exfoliation. So it's using the natural blood circulation. If you go to dermatologists or clinics, they actually use CO2 treatment a lot. They may call it carboxy therapy, but it's actually basically same logic behind. So they use the CO2 injection and then like use the similar mechanism, but we are using it as a home care version. It actually enhances your skin texture as well. Because of the better blood circulation, there will be a better nutrient supply as well. And then skin elasticity will be improved as well. And when there is a cell activation is happening around your pores, your skin will be improved as well and moisture level will go up as well. So you won't feel dryness anymore, and then skin barrier will not happen with this product, so you don't have to worry about physical and chemical exfoliation. So if you are really serious about pore care and pore deep cleansing, there is nothing better than this product. After deep cleanse your pore, there should be the next step. Here we need pore reducing or pore focus Ampoule. After CO2 mask pack usage, your pore is very clean, but this is the golden time because your skin absorption power is super good. It's very important to push very good ingredient, right? But you shouldn't just use the normal moisturizer because we want to work on tightening effect. We don't want to release more excess sebum, right? So there should be a few elements we need to work on. So there are 3 elements, 3 ingredients that I usually recommend as a pore Ampoule. These are actually inside the Jung Beauty Pore Ampoule. Firstly, niacinamide. This one really controls the excess sebum production. So it's more like normalizing your sebum production cycle. It also prevents pore will be enlarged again. And then it also working on your skin tone as well. Second, it's the tannin. This one has a pore tightening effect. It will tighten your pore entrance. You know, pore looking like this, right? If you cut in the skin, then the starting entrance area of your pore will be tightened by using the tannin. It has an antioxidant effect and then it will smoothen out your skin texture as well. Thirdly, cooling ingredient, non-menthol cooling agent. The moment it touches your skin, it will lower your skin temperature. When your skin temperature is lower, you won't get excess sebum production, and then it will help you to last your makeup even longer and nicely as well. Okay, so let me summarize again. Why do you need to use them together? What's the benefit? Step 1, this CO2 mask pack, this full set together, they're working on the deep cleansing, so you can remove the dead skin cell and deep cleanse your pore. Step 2 is this pore Ampoule. It calms your skin, and then niacinamide working on the excess sebum. Tannin really tighten your pores, and then cooling agent will lower your skin temperature. After that, if you use your moisturizer, you can protect your nourished skin and then prohibit the evaporation of your moisture. So it's not about just simply making it clean, prevent enlarged pore again, and then controlling your excess sebum. So I would say that it's a perfect pore care. Let me explain what's the better way to use it on the nighttime as well. Usually I recommend once a week after wash off your face. Usually I do double cleanse. I think you should do as well, especially if you put on makeup or SPF. You remove it and then use the foam cleanser. After that, on your dry skin, you use the CO2 mask pack gel first. After that, you put on the CO2 mask sheet mask, then they react to each other. After 20 minutes, during this 20 minutes, you will start to feel this tingling sensation. That's perfectly normal how the CO2 and oxygen are exchanged. You may feel also tingling as well, depending on you. After 20 minutes, you need to wash off with the lukewarm water. After that, it's very important, use your pore Ampoule, 2 to 3 drops on your skin and then apply because that's the golden time to absorb all the goodness from your Ampoule. After that, you can finish it with your moisturizer. Okay, so let me summarize what we have talked today. First, you need to do pore deep cleansing from within to outwards, and then CO2 mechanism, the carboxy therapy. It will work on your blood circulation, then it's helping you to release your dead skin cells more naturally. Secondly, after deep cleansing your pore, using the pore contour or excess sebum or serum or Ampoule, this one will tighten your pores so you don't have to go to vicious cycle again. Thirdly, you don't have to go to dermatologist always. It's very important to have a healthy skincare routine so you can have a more healthy and then stable skin health in general. So from tonight, I recommend first, always do double cleansing. If you use the good water cleanser and remove the makeup thoroughly, that's a good start already. Then use the CO2 mask pack and followed by the Pore Ampoule. Once a week will do. It will really change your skin destiny. It's a good investment for you, and then your pores will dramatically look smaller and tighter. I guarantee you that you feel the dramatic difference. If you're interested in getting to know about our CO2 mask pack and our Pore Ampoule, I put the link here, so please check it out. You don't have to buy it, but if you know the mechanism behind it, it'll be very, very helpful. But to be honest, I never seen better combination than these, so I'm sure you will love it, and that's the reason I made it myself. I hope that this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like this video and subscribe our account. 오늘 동영상이 도움이 되셨다면 구독과 좋아요 잊지 마세요. 다음에 또 뵐게요. This was your Korean Skin 언니 정민 here. See you next time. 사랑해. 안녕.